Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account right here on Bitfinex. The first thing that we need to do is quite simple. We click here on sign up, and then you can also sign up with your Google account, but I will do it just with a normal account. And for that we need to fill in our email, create a username, fill in your password, fill in right here your country of residence, and then we click on sign up. So I will do this real quick now. Then right now they send a 6-digit email to your mail, so make sure that you fill in that code right here. And then right now they want you to set up your two-factor authenticator app. So we click now on next, and then we fill in this code right here. So I scan that code with the authenticator app from Microsoft. Then right now we have right here our Bitfinex linked. So what we're gonna do right now is we go here to I've linked my account, and then we fill in the 6-digit code from your Microsoft Authenticator app. And then right now we can click here on login now. Fill in right here your email and your password. Scroll completely down to right here and say yes, I agree. And then we click here on submit. And then right now we have our Bitfinex account right here. So this is how you can create your account on Bitfinex. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.